Hey, welcome to our channel. You are watching Review Panda. And in this video we are going to review top 5 best Canon cameras. If you're thinking to buy, watch the video completely. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Links are mentioned in description. Our first product is Best Design, Canon Powershot SX70. As the saying goes, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And there is no better example of this than with the Canon Powershot SX70, a bridge camera capable of making far-away shots seem as though they were taken up close, thanks to its 65x optical zoom, equivalent to about a 21mm to 1365mm lens. It has dual sensing image stabilization of up to 5 stops, so you can capture the emotion on someone's face or of city vistas. The 20.3 megapixel high-sensitivity CMOS guarantees image clarity no matter the level of light, and it refocuses rapidly in order to keep up to your speed. The autofocus is boosted by the Digicade image processor, which also assists in shooting 4K UHD video at a frame rate of up to 30 FPS. Expect lifelike videos, albeit those that are easy to crop into still images. Canon Powershot SX70 20.3MP digital camera 65x optical zoom lens 4K video 3-inch LCD tilt screen, black, model name SX70. Brand Canon. Skill level professional. Color black. JPEG quality level fine, normal. White balance settings auto. Shooting modes MOV DVP auto standard vivid neutral BW sepia. Lens type wide angle. Continuous shooting speed 10 fps. Exposure control type manual/automatic. Our second product is Best Point and Shoot, Canon Powershot G9X Mark II. Canon Powershot G9X Mark II compact digital camera W/1-inch sensor and 3-inch LCD, Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth enabled, silver. The G9X Mark II is just about the crown jewel of the Powershot line, a proper successor to the regular old G9X. The 1.0-inch, high-sensitivity CMOS sensor shoots and records at 20.1 megapixels and the camera polishes those photos with Canon's celebrated Digic 7 image processing. The f/2.0 lens sits very unassumingly right on the camera, which is already a slim package at a pocket weight of 7.3 ounces. What we like. Great-looking compact camera body and lens. Remotely connect by Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth. Nice touch panel interface. What we don't like. Autofocus tracking doesn't always work well. Touch panel hard to see and bright light and is needed to use the camera. 3x lens has a limited zoom range. Resolution, 20MP, sensor type, BSI CMOS, max ISO, 12800, optical zoom, 3x, connectivity, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth. The G9X Mark II offers good image quality, nice detail, high ISOs and high color accuracy. Our third product is Best DSLR Kit, Canon EOS Rebel T7 Kit. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera bundle with Canon FS18 to 55mm f/3.5 to 5.6 is 2 lens plus 2 PC SanDisk 32GB memory cards plus accessory kit. What we like: affordable, entry-level DSLR camera. Easy to use. Good image quality. What we don't like: no articulating or touch display. Some Wi-Fi connectivity problems. Incompatible with some third-party triggers and flashes. Canon's EOS Rebel line is always a great option for entry-level photographers, and the Canon EOS Rebel T7 digital SLR camera kit is no exception. This package comes stuffed with everything a beginner could need when pursuing photography as a hobby or profession. The EOS Rebel T7 DSLR itself is a stalwart option on its own, featuring a 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor and 3.0 inches 920K LCD monitor. The only issue our reviewer noted is that the LCD doesn't articulate. It's capable of Full HD 1080/30p record. Our fourth product is Best Value, Canon SX530HS9779B001. Canon Powershot SX530 digital camera W/50x optical zoom, Wi-Fi and NFC enabled. Black. The Canon SX530HS Powershot is a popular point-and-shoot digital camera, and it's not hard to figure out why. Despite an affordable price, the camera packs a powerful 50x optical zoom lens that can take stunning high-definition pictures from a great distance. The 16.0-megapixel CMOS sensor and the Canon Digic 4 Plus image processor are capable of great things, especially at this value price point. They can capture video in 1080p Full HD video with a dedicated movie button, while a large 3-inch LCD gives you a great view of everything you want to capture. Resolution: 16MP, sensor type, BSI CMOS, max ISO, 3200, optical zoom, 50x, connectivity, Wi-Fi. What we like. Similar shape to Canon's EOS Rebel DSLR camera. Very portable and our fifth product is best budget, Canon Powershot ELPH 190. This camera may have a budget price, but its specs make it a worthy investment and an upgrade over even the best of the best smartphone cameras. The Powershot ELPH 190 is available in either black, blue or red, and is slim enough to comfortably fit in your jacket pocket. Its 20-megapixel CCD sensor and Digic 4 Plus processor combine to deliver the stunning image quality and 720p HD video. Resolution: 20MP, sensor type, CCD, max ISO, 1600, optical zoom, 10x, connectivity, Wi-Fi, NFC. Key features: 20.0MP f/3 CCD image sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor, 10x optical zoom lens, 24 to 240 mm, 35 mm equivalent 2.7 inches 230K LCD monitor, HD 720p video recording at 25 fps, intelligent image stabilization, built-in Wi-Fi with NFC, ISO 1602.2 fps continuous shooting, smart auto and scene modes, a pocketable point-and-shoot with versatile zoom lens. The black Powershot ELPH 190 is digital camera from Canon is a sleek, convenient camera featuring a 20.0MP f/3 CCD sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor. The sensor and processor combine to afford notable image quality and sensitivity to ISO 1600.